Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create portfolio website using a DeepSeek AI. So open the chat.deepseek.com and just write a simple prompt here. And the prompt is create a modern 3D look portfolio website for an artist using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You can change the artist word to the web developer, web designer or developer or app developer, anything. Okay. And then use the placeholder dummy images from the services like Unplace or Pixum. And then we need some hero sections, gallery, about, and contact us page. I'll give you that prompt in the description. And we need some features like a smooth scrolling animation like G-Zap and 3D cards effect. That should be a mobile responsive and that should have dark or light mode. Okay. And just enter. That will give you some files. Okay. So wait some seconds. Now you can see he started creating an amazing website for us. This is the portfolio website. You can share. He can see now we created that. You can just copy that code or you can just click on the download button to download your file. Just download it. Now we have downloaded. Now open that and wow, the digital art that translates reality. My gallery. This is fantastic. Wow. This is the amazing portfolio website that DeepSeek created for us. You can see, wow, the navigation is also amazing. Let me try the dark mode. Oh, this is really a cool. Now he created a dark mode and light mode also on my website. Amazing, fantastic. Now you just need to host that HTML file in the GitHub or anywhere and you can share that portfolio with your clients. So this is really amazing. You can just change the code. You can open that file in the VS Code and change the content according to your requirement. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.